Hello, hi again. Thank you so much for joining us in this session. My name is Pumzile Skonela. I am a stay-at-home mom of three kids. I have been doing this business full time. I started this business as a full-time worker and a full-time employee. Sorry, a full-time employee. Now I am a full-time entrepreneur. I have been doing this business since 2024. I did it part-time and now I'm doing it full-time, as I am going to share with you how I went from being a full-time employee to being a full-time business entrepreneur. As I said, I am a stay-at-home mom. I'm doing this business full-time. I started this business while I wasn't sure about anything in my life, or I wasn't sure about most things that I wanted. So it was just a new thing for me. Uh, as I said, I started while I didn't think it's something that I'm ever going to do in my life. I came across this business, this opportunity, when I was celebrating my sister's birthday. We celebrated her birthday in a certain hotel in town. We just went there for lunch, and at the same hotel there was a presentation, and we thought, let's go and hear what they are talking about, because it was all about personal growth. It was all about being able to do things for yourself, being able to choose to live the life that you want. It was just an opportunity to see things differently. So we thought, why not? Let's go and see. Let's go and hear. And we went there and listened. It was a great session. But for me, when they started talking about selling, I really wasn't interested, because I never sold anything in my life. I never wanted to sell anything in my life, but because of how you see people selling, and you think like it's for poor people, while I'm also poor, but I didn't want to be seen as poor. I didn't want to be seen as someone selling. I thought it was going to ukungehlisela isithunzi. I thought it was not for me. I thought it was something for poor people or for desperate people, having to ask people to buy, having to ask people to pay you. And I'm not a great talker. I'm not a great conversation starter, but selling was really not my thing, because I thought myself as someone who's down, who's quiet, and who doesn't get along with the people, especially new people. So I never thought my journey will be selling something. I ended up joining the business because I needed more for my kids. I needed more for them. I needed to be able to provide for them and to be able to spoil them the way they deserve to be spoiled. Doesn't matter. We all want the best for our kids. As you can see in the slide, these are my three kids. I said before, I am a mother of three kids. These are my three kids. They are the reason that I am in this business. They are the reason that I decided to take this opportunity and run with it, because I want to provide for them everything they deserve, everything I feel they have to get in this world. So that's one reason I am working hard to make sure that they get all they want. They are the three people in my life that I wish the best, and I wish they get everything they wish for. My life changed when I got terminated from my job. I I already started in this business. I already started selling. I already started talking to people. I already started learning new skills. As I had said before, I wasn't someone who liked to talk to people. I wasn't someone who liked to start conversations. But as I learned through this business, as I joined this business, I learned new skills which I thought I never would have learned if otherwise. I did the business part-time before I got let go for my work. But when I lost my job, I did the business full-time because I already had started. It became a little easy for me to work from being a full-time, a part-time business, doing the business as a side hustle, to now being doing the business full-time. Doing it full-time has really improved my confidence, and it has really improved my communication skills because I am now able to talk to more people. I am now able to learn and even help other people grow, teach them what I'm learning, teach them how to grow as I am also growing in this business, because it has gave me a lot of space to grow, a lot of the way I'm doing this business. I'm learning every day about myself. I'm learning every day on how to do new things that I've never thought I'd do. And the best thing is I like that I have time for my family, I have time for my kids, while still I'm able to do my business and able to help others grow their business through this wonderful opportunity that we are doing. How I lost my job. I lost my job when I got terminated from work as a full-time employee. I was working there for a while, and I just woke up one day and got a termination letter saying that I am now unemployed. I didn't even made it was disappointing, but I didn't even panic because I already started earning from my side hustle. I just had to do the shifting from making it a side hustle to making it a full-time employee. So while I was also building my business part-time, it gave me the strength when the time was right for me to do my business full-time, for me to be able to expand myself and also learning new ways to grow in the business, as when you're doing it part time, your time is limited. The way you do the business, it becomes a little limited. So when you're doing full time, you realize a lot of things that you never thought you will be able to achieve because you were at work. So it wasn't really a train smash. I learned to adapt in the new way that I'm doing my business. The business that I'm talking about is Forever, the Forever Story. Forever Living is a global and health wellness company trusted in over 100 countries. We sell products of nutrition, skincare, weight management, personal care, even more. We have a lot of products in our stock where you get to choose the product you want to concentrate on, the product that you want your business to run with. If you want to sell everything, you can sell all of the product that we have in the business. You just choose which one works for you. Forever has been around the world for over 45 years. We have been doing this business in South Africa. It has been in South Africa for more than 30 years now. So it is a long-standing management team where you get to feel free and also understand that when I'm doing this business, I'm in a business that is here for forever. I am in the business which will last, and it will give me something to build for me and my family. As I have said before, I joined because I wanted something better for my family, and this is how it helped me, just by joining this business, by listening to this opportunity as you are invited, as you have been in listening. You have to understand that when joining this business, you're not just joining for yourself. It's a team, it's a community for everyone to win. For we're winning everywhere, and it's not just for one person to win, it's for everyone to win and do their best in what they're doing. Why do we talk about aloe? Aloe is a natural healing and wellness where it's packed with vitamins and minerals. Everyone who uses aloe, whether in their skin or inside their body, it helps them. It's not just for only the skin or just for inside their systems. It helps both ways. It supports also your digestive system, your immunity, and skin health. As I have said, when using aloe, whether inside or out of your body, in your skin, on your skin, you still get the great nutrition, you still get the best outcome of using those products, because you can't go wrong with aloe. It helps your sorry, it helps your skin to stay healthy. It also helps it boost your immune system also to be strong. So it is trusted and it is pure. Forever uses stabilized aloe vera to preserve nutrients, which means all of the nutrients that comes with a bottle that you're drinking, it is preserved. It stays nutrient for you, so it can be in your skin, so it can be in your body and do what you wanted to do in your body. It is globally recognized for quality and effectiveness. We are selling high quality products. There is no doubt about it. So you can be proud and stand up saying that I am selling a high quality product which helps you inside and outside your body. What is Forever? Forever is a network marketing opportunity which helps you make money by selling and also recruiting. You can do it is flexible. You can do it part-time, you can also do it full-time, depending on your schedule, how you prefer to do it. Forever also helps you create an extra income by selling high quality products which people love and use daily, which means you are always going to get customers because people use those products daily. Even when they are buying just a two gel, every month a person has to buy a two gel so they can use it every day. So there's no way you say there are no customers. This is an opportunity to earn through retail and also team building. As I said, we make money by selling for profit and also building a team for ourselves. What do we do in Forever? We have four things that everyone who is in Forever does. Number one, we use the product. You become your own best customer. When you use the product, that's when you get to show the results with other people and feel confidence because you see the difference. You see what the product is doing for you. When you are your own best customer, sorry, when you are your own best customer, that's when you grow the confidence to be able to share with other people what the product does. And people get to see from you firsthand what the product does, what the benefits of the products are. And when they ask you about the products that you're using, that's when you get to do number two in sharing the product. You share with them what you have been using, you share with them the benefits of what you have been using and how it has been working for you and how it can work for them. That's when you also help them to improve their health or maybe their skincare or wellness or anything that they might be struggling with. That's when you do number two in the four things that we do in the business. The third thing that you do is when you build a team. Building a team, that's when you recruit people who are also interested in making money, because when people see you making money and people see the profit that you make from selling the products, they also want money. They also want to be able to use the product at a discounted price. Then you share with them how they can do that, how they can also make money and win in this business. Growing your team, when you grow your team, you also get to earn more in the business. The more people that join your team, the more earnings you get. Number 4, what we do in the business, you coach your team. That's when you show them what you have been doing from using the product, sharing the products, and building your team. That's where you sit down with them and share with them how they can also grow in the business, how they can also make money, they can also share the products and grow while still earning money, while still earning profits from just selling the products. Those are the only 4 things that you get to do once you are in this business. You use the product, you share the product, you build your team, and you coach your team to also for them to also share with others how they also can grow in this business. So there's nothing more or nothing less that you do in this business. You just do all these 4 things. How to start your business. After all that you have heard, I know you might be wondering maybe how to start your business, how to also have the opportunity to make money for yourself, how to also have the opportunity to grow your team. This is how you get to do. You can start your business by buying products. This is not a registration fee or anything like this. You just buy the product of the amount that you want to start with. You can be a half member where you can start small with a minimum of 1,650. That's when you get 5% discount. That's where you get to have an idea how this business works. That's when you get to also get coaching and training on the product, on the benefits of the product, on how to talk to people, on how to advertise the product, and how to get customers. Another way of starting a business, you can become a full member. That's where you get a complete starter kit, full training, mentorship, and you still get the ability to earn not just from sales, but also from building a team. That's where you get to recruit people. The benefits from being a full member, you become an assistant supervisor instantly. You get a 30% discount when buying your products. You get pay slip when you work on your business and also reach the minimum requirements of the company. You also get boost bonuses from the company. The best part is it is flexible. You can start small, being a half member, while you test and see how you can grow in the business. As soon as you become a half member, you buy your first product. That's when you get the training and you get the coaching on how you can also grow to being a full member. When you work your business from being a half member to a full member, you still, as soon as you get to be a full member, you get the benefits of the 30% discount. You also become an assistant supervisor as soon as you become a full member. So you can start small and work your way up in the business. We have a point system that we use in Forever, because Forever is a global company where it's in over 140 countries. We have a global point system which we use to communicate as a currency in our business. The currency that we use is a case credit, which we call CCs. Forever Living Case Credit is the company's business currency. It's how your progress and activity are measured in the business, no matter which country you are. So whether you are in Swaziland, you are in the UK, you are in America, we still use the same currency system, which is a 4CC. We have a minimum requirement, as you can see in the slide, 4CC a month, which every business owner has to, it's a minimum requirement from the company that you have to achieve. You can achieve more. You are welcome to achieve more. how do you achieve this for CC? You can achieve by buying the product. You buy the product to sell, you buy the product to use. Each product has its own CCs. Each product has its own different CCs. There are not two different products that have the same CCs. So each product you buy or each person you recruit, you get to accumulate CCs. So that's how you see the growth in your business. That's how you see how active your business is, by checking your CCs and seeing how much CCs you have or how much CCs you need to be in the next level. We also see our growth in the business to the next level with using the CCs currency. Our success formula, this is how you get to see how we make money in the business. With this formula, they use the example of the aloe vera gel, which is our trademark product, where everyone knows the yellow bottle. Let me just put it like this. When you are a full member in the business, you are an assistant supervisor in the business. When you sell one bottle of aloe, you get a profit of 175 rand 16 cents. That's the profit that you get from selling just one bottle of aloe a day. And you see this profit and decide that no, now I want to sell more. I want more money. You decide to sell 2 bottles per day, which is 350 rand 32 cents profit for you just by selling 2 bottles per day. And you do this formula for 5 days a week. You decide that I'm gonna sell 2 bottles for 5 days a week. In that week, your profit will be 1,751.60 cents just for selling 2 bottles per day. You continue with the formula for 4 weeks now, selling 2 bottles per day for a month. Your profit will be 7,640 cents. That's only profit for you. You are just getting 7,000 profit just for selling 2 bottles a day for a month. And when selling those bottles, if you can see on the slide, the case credits here on your right, you get 4.08 cc's, which means you have already accumulated the minimum requirement from the company, which is a 4cc credit. When you get the 7,000 profit, you also have accumulated the case credit, the minimum case credit required by the company. When your neighbor or your friends see you selling the bottles every day and getting the 7,000 profit for yourself, they also say, no, I have seen you make money. I also want to make money. Please tell me how do you make money? And you introduce them to the business. You show them how to join the business. You show them how to also make money for themselves. They can also make money for themselves. They join with the box of 7,400, buying the box for themselves to also start the business. They also accumulate 2 cc's, and because they joined under you, you also accumulate the 2 cc's from the box, and the company also gives you a 25% preferred customer of 1,693 just for having someone joining under you in the business, and for sharing the business opportunity with them, and they have agreed and they have decided to also join the business. The company just says thank you to you. And because you have also reached the minimum requirement from the company, they also give you a 5% boost bonus because you are 4cc active of 1,354. That's how you also get. That's when you also get a thank you for the company for just achieving the minimum requirements of the company. Your total income for that month will be a little more of 10,000 just for selling and also sharing the product. That's how I say the only way we make money is by selling the product and also sharing the business opportunity, building your team. When you build your when you grow your team, the business or the company also says thank you just for building, for just for sharing the business with other people, and they decide to take the opportunity. When you sell, you also get profits. Imagine a 150 and 175 profit just for selling one bottle. It's a lot of profit where you can do a lot in your house with just that profit. Our marketing plan that we use in the business, when you join the business, we all have levels that we all want to be. The level that everyone is working for is manager level. When you become a manager in the business, that's where you get more profit. You also get more bonuses. The person who has invited you here will also explain more on the levels that we have in the business. The first level, the red dot, is a preferred customer. That's when you get 5%. That's when you have member in the business. We call you a preferred customer. You don't want to stay long in that red cycle. You have to work with your leader to help you become an assistant supervisor in the business. To be the assistant supervisor in the business, you need to accumulate 2 CCs in 2 months for you to be able to be assistant supervisor and get 30% discount when buying products. The next level is supervisor level, where you can be a supervisor when you accumulate 10 CCs in 1 month. You also get to have 38% discount when buying products. Assistant manager, you can be an assistant manager. You can reach that level by accumulating 60 CCs in 2 months, and you get 43% discount when buying products. And then the highest manager, the next level is manager, where you can be a manager by accumulating 150 CCs in 4 months or 120 CCs in 2 months. That's where you get to have 48% discount when buying products. So it's a lot of profits for you in each and every level. The more level you move to, the more profits that you get for you, the more money for your pocket. So the person who invited you will share more on how you can also, and how and all the other percentage or the other incomes that you can get in each level when you move up each level. We have incentives in the business. The first incentive is Forever to Drive. Forever to Drive is when the company gives you an extra money just for achieving a certain level with case credits. Each level, we have 3 levels in Forever to Drive: level 1, level 2, level 3. Each level you have to accumulate different CCs to get the income. For level 1, you have to accumulate month 1 50 CCs, month 2 100 CCs, month 3 150 CCs. Then the company gives you an addition of 7,000 per month for 36 months. They don't tell you to buy a car. They don't tell you which car to buy or what to do with the money. You choose for yourself what you want to do, whether you want to buy a car or whether you want to renovate your house or pay school fees or anything that you want to do with the money. You can do it. Level 2 is when you achieve 75 CCs, 150 CCs on month 2, 225 CCs on month 3, and the company gives you 10,500 extra for you to do whatever you want for 36 months, which is 3 years. And we also have level 3 where you have to achieve 100 CCs in month 1, 200 CCs in month 2, 300 cc's in monthly, and the company gives you 14,000 extra per month for 36 months, which is also a great add-on to your business income. We have 3 yearly trips in a year. In this business, all these trips you can achieve just by accumulating the required cc's, accumulating the number of cc's for you that is needed from you and your team to be able to achieve any of those trips. So they in these trips there are different locations every year. As I am talking to you now, we have leaders who are currently in Cape Town. They were attending Global Rally, where they were celebrating great leaders who are doing good in the business. That's one of the trips that we have in the business. We also have Eagle Managers Retreats, which also you get to qualify by achieving the required cc's. We have Level Up, where you also get to just by doing the requirement cc's for you and your team, and you get to enjoy all of the trips. These trips, they are fully paid. You get to take any partner that you want to take in the trip and enjoy with them, and they also get to experience what Forever is doing. So you don't go alone, you choose who you want to go with, and they pay for you and your partner. You may be asking yourself, will this work for me? It definitely will, as long as you're willing to learn, you're willing to put in the work. You get to know how to do this business. This system is proven. Your results depend on your consistency. The more you work, the more you put in the work, you get to experience the winnings, you get to benefit from the business, you get to grow personally. It's not just for money, it's also for personal growth, because you get to learn a lot about yourself while doing this business. So it is for everyone, just as long as you're willing to work and also go after your goals. For me, Forever did not promise me easy. I can say that. So it has been a wow for me since I have joined them. I have joined the business. It gave me a chance to also start afresh with my life, and also dream again, and also realize that I can achieve what I want. I can achieve what I have been dreaming of. It also gave me a system that I have learned on, which I'm also sharing with others, a system that works, and also it's proven to help others grow financially, even personally. It gave me a community which helps me grow, which accepts me the way I am, and which doesn't judge or make anyone feel uneasy or that like they don't belong. As long as you do the work, your life will change. I can promise you, because I also started doing the work, and I also started seeing my life changing. You just have to know what you want and go after what you're looking for. As long as if you're feeling like you are ready for change, or maybe you're depending in one income, this one is for you. You can just ask the person who shared with you, and to tell you more on how you can also change your life. You just need to be tired of the pressure that you're in, because financial problems are not easy to live by or to live within. So you just have to tell yourself that I am promising myself that I'm going to work. And I did the work, and I learned a lot about myself. I learned a lot on how to do, on how to give myself a chance, and also to dream again, and give my family a chance to live the life that they want, and the life that I did promise them. Forever, it's more than money. for me, I started seeing change in myself before I started seeing the money in Forever. I got more confidence. I am now able to talk as I am talking with you. I am now able to share with other people the benefits of the product. I am now able to share with other people what the benefits of being in the business. I am learning new skills about myself every day. The best thing is that I got from Forever is time flexibility. I am learning how to work on my own time. I am learning how to make my time work for me without even feeling guilty at the end of the day. Like what did I do with my time? What happened to my time? So I am learning a lot just by being in the business and working through this business. So I am thankful of the community that I got this from joining, from also hearing about this opportunity and taking a chance in this opportunity. I am now part of a community of women who are doing great and who are stronger and who are wishing that everyone around, everyone in the circle succeeds as we are all succeeding. I am now able to have a purpose. I am now able to find what I have also been dreaming of and work towards it. So it has gave me a lot just by being in this business, just by meeting wonderful people, and I am very thankful of that. I I am now to the end of the session. I had one of my leaders who was supposed to give us a motivation. I don't know if she's still here. Um,
Hi, sorry, my leader. I'm using serving manager titles profile, so I am here.
okay. Um, I have a manager, Zanele. She is with one of the greatest leaders in our business, in our team. They are currently in Cape Town. So they're going to share with you how is Cape Town and how we can also, when you join the business and experience all these wonderful things, and how you can also be part of this wonderful community. Imagine just doing a motivation just from the site's view of Cape Town. You can take over, my leader.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Leader Pumzila, for the wonderful presentation. It's really an honor to be able to connect with you, leaders. Just forgive me a little bit, leaders. Guys, I'm online. Excuse me, leaders. We just came back from our training, so we're just trying to settle in, but we couldn't miss this for anything. Our Sunday presentations are really what keeps our business going and motivating. So I'm gonna be very short. I am Manager Zanele Ndlovu. I am a forever living business owner and a professional diagnostic radiographer. I have been in the business for over 2 years now, and being in this business has really changed my life. It has really changed my dynamics, my mindset, and I'm always empowered because I'm always around people with the same mindset. Like Leader Pumzile has just said, I am currently in Cape Town. We arrived in Cape Town Friday night for our Forever World Tour global rally event. What that basically means is it's an annual event that Forever hosts in different countries. It was supposed to be in Dubai this year, this time. However, because of the war that is happening in Dubai, then they just had to make work in another way. So then they decided to choose three different continents where they're going to be able to go and do the rally. One of those continents was obviously Africa, and the country that was chosen was South Africa. So, guys, God has really been showing off with Forever in our country because, wow, continent, the whole of continent, or most of our African countries were in Cape Town this weekend, and it was just flooding with Forever business owners. So yeah, it was really an impactful day where leaders were honored or recognized for the work that they've put in 2025, and checks were shared, which is a profit share that Forever has and gives out to high performing leaders in the business. So one of my mentor, or not one of my, my mentor, my upline, was receiving that check. That's why we came down to Cape Town with her, so that we can be able to celebrate this amazing profit share. So Forever shares its profit annually with performing leaders. So she did get her check last night. She got an SMS while we were at the event, and an email that tells her how much is being shared with her as a profit share from the company. So imagine a company as big as Forever globally is sharing its annual profits with you. Guys, even if it's 1%, imagine 1% of over, I don't know, 110,000 billion, whatever, what Forever has made in the year of 2025. And they're sharing that with you. That's like a 13 check that Forever is giving. So it was really an amazing time to witness this. This was my first global rally attending. So it was really inspiring for me to see the leaders there jumping off their seats, receiving those messages that listen, money in dollars. And it was truly, for me, I felt like, you know what, this is a feeling that I really want to feel. And some leaders were on stage and they were shown the amount of what is going to be received in their bank account right there on stage. So the whole time, you don't know what you're going to get. You don't know how much you're going to get. You literally get to see it at that very moment. So that alone is like, wow, it was a feeling that I really feel I want to work towards, because this is one thing that I know it can change my life. Whatever amount that I'm going to be sharing with the company, I know it will change my life. So that is what Forever has given me as an experience over this weekend. And also today we had masterclass that Forever has hosted for all FBOs in Cape Town. I'm still in Cape Town, obviously. And that masterclass, we were taught by world top leaders. Number one in Forever leader is Honami. She was there and she was teaching us. Hi, Mo, what just happened, Tato?
Can I call you back?
Sorry, leaders. So how do I go back here now?
Okay, you need to log in again. Okay, but now the WhatsApp has loaded from.
Yes, it has.
The WhatsApp and then click on the link.
This is all done.
I don't see my number.
We can hear you, leaders.
Are you seeing?
Oh, you can hear us. I don't see.
Yeah,
I'm trying to log back in. I'm logged out. I can't.
For the app now.
I'm looking for the Zoom app, yes.
At the bottom.
At the bottom.
On our side, you're still.
Can you guys see me? Can you guys see me?
I
Yes.
can. Yeah.
Okay. I can see myself now, but I'm trying to get back to the full Zoom, guys. So just you know, when you're using someone else's laptop, a lot of things are not I can see the Tato, I can see the Zoom icon, but I can't get to it.
The screen is at the bottom. These are
Oh.
Okay, this is what you're using.
Okay.
Here it is.
Sorry, guys. Please do forgive me. But yeah, we are back. You can still hear me, ne? Hello, can you guys still hear me?
Yes, we can
Yes.
still hear you.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you. All right, yes. So today we had a masterclass that Forever was hosting for all FBOs that were in Cape Town. It was open to everyone basically, and we were being taught by the top leaders in Forever, one of which is number one. She's from Japan. She is the top FBO in the world of Forever. Ohonami, she was there and pouring into us how she has built her business. Now, she's been in the business for over 10 years, and she has really made what's this system of building the Forever Living business. And has taught me is that for put in the work, as long as you know what your goals are, as long as you are ready to work for your goals, it is a business that will really take you there. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited. I can't wait to come back home in Mpumalanga and be able to pour back to my team what I have learned in Forever. And I'm definitely going to be staying in this business forever, because what I've experienced this weekend, it surpasses my 2 years in the business, and it confirms why I even started the business in the first place. So I'm so excited to have really taken the chance. I brought myself here, so I did not qualify to come to Global Rally. I paid for myself to come here. And what I also did was to pay for one of my downlines, who I actually gave an incentive to the team to say if they do this number of, they will come with me to Cape Town for the Global Rally, so they can also experience that. So I was able to come with one of my team members for her to be able to experience this. This includes flights, accommodation, everything. And she came with, and been life-changing. Come into Forever with the mindset that you have a goal that you want to achieve. And when you hold on to that goal, Forever is going to be able to help you achieve it. Don't come into Forever thinking you are just going to make money overnight. You are going to earn millions overnight. It's not going to happen. I'm sorry if I'm disappointing you, but Forever is a business that needs commitment. It needs consistency. It needs a goal. It needs a strong mindset, and it needs you to decide that you are going to work the business regardless, because your goals, your children, your family are more important. So I hope this is going to help someone confirm that being in this business or starting this business is what you need to do, because it is the vehicle that will take you where you want to be. Guys, I've been to Cape Town, my second time coming to Cape Town, and it's already showing me that this is the kind of lifestyle that I want. This is it. And that's what Forever is doing. So it allows you to be able to afford to go in places and really be impacted, and it builds your personal growth and leadership mindset as well. So thank you so much, Leader Phumi, for having me. Like I said, I've just came in, so everything is sort of all over the place, but I'm glad that I get to catch this meeting and, to be among you guys. I hope that to stay in the business and put in the work to doing your business, because the results are definitely guaranteed only if you work your business. Thank you so much, my leader.
Thank you so much, leaders. Enjoy your time in Cape Town. You always summer well. Thank you so much. This is just an assurance that what Forever promises, Forever delivers. So no matter how or where you come from, or your background, or your situation right now, what you hear from Forever, it truly gives you more than what you are thinking it's gonna give you. So as long as you are consistent, as long as you are working hard, and you are working with the person who invited you, and you tell them that I also want to achieve what other leaders are achieving, it is possible. So talk to the person who invited you and share with them your goals, and sit with them talking on how you can achieve those goals. It is possible. We are looking forward to welcome you and enjoying and celebrating you in our family. So thank you so much again for joining us. I hope you can just go to the person who shared with you about this opportunity and tell them that you are ready. You are also you also want to enjoy and experience this kind of lifestyle. Thank you so much.